Very good. Welcome to Evergreen System AI. On this occasion, we are going to start by telling you that this is not a platform with a simple strategy and that's it, but that it is a conglomerate of ways to capitalize autonomously. Hence the name you see right now, Autonomous Capital. These are different ways to capitalize autonomously. That is, you will not have to intervene more than to make a few small configurations at the beginning, and that's it. In this case, we're going to look at how to invest in those opportunities that Evergreen System AI and its team, of course, they have studied for you so that you don't have to do the study yourself. Our team does it for you so you can take advantage of it from the beginning when these projects start, because that's when you're going to be able to get the most out of it. In this case, we're going to open the app. If you are not registered with Evergreen System AI, you just have to click here on Start Now, and simply by registering you will have in your dashboard the Investments section, which is what we are going to dedicate ourselves to at this time. The first thing you will have to do then is register with Evergreen with that partner that Evergreen has recommended to you. And if not, then you go directly to evergreensystemai.com and register. Once registered, click on Create Account and remember that you have to check your email. Well, once you're in your email account, remember that if it doesn't show up in inbox, it might be in the spam folder. Click to verify my account. You'll come back here, put your credentials on, and to be already inside Evergreen to be registered, but you need one more step. And if you click on Investments, you will see that it is exclusive to partners. But I have good news for you, and that is that right now you have 3 months free. So we're going to give it to go membership. I put in here, we'll activate those 3 months free. Well, once registered, you have a lot of things on the platform, but we are going to focus on those investment opportunities that you can get a much higher return than if you did it later. In this case, you will be able to enter whatever you want, and we do recommend that it be a little long term. We're going to hit investments, and as you'll see, right now we have these two, but more projects are going to come just as interesting as these, that you're going to be able to invest from the beginning. They have been on the market for very little, and that is why we can get more out of it. But not because they are early, they are not looked at. What we are always going to avoid are root pools and practices that can obviously hurt you. This is very much looked at, and, well, obviously, like any investment, there is always a risk. As you can see, right now is a good time, both in the first and second investments. These projects right now have dropped a little bit, and you have to understand that they fluctuate. It is true that last week, as they rose by 30% and 40% respectively. So, well, whenever it goes down a little, it's always a good time to get into these projects. How are we going to do it? The first thing you need to know is that you need to be on the Solana network, both on one project and another. In other projects, we don't know. The ones that come the same are other networks. You're going to have to work on Solana. Which wallet can you work with best? The best one to work with Solana is Phantom. So we're going to go download that Phantom wallet. Well, once here, you will download that application to both your computer or mobile, the same on iOS or Android, it doesn't matter. You download that app. I recommend that you have both on your mobile and on your computer to always see those investments. Well, once you have the Phantom wallet, you see here we have pinned it. How do you have to anchor? In this little room here, you will be able to anchor the ones you want. In this case, we have Phantom anchored, and then other wallets such as MetaMask and Rabbi, which are also used in Evergreen. So let's connect that Phantom wallet. You have other wallets, but Phantom always says that it is the best to work on the Solana network. We selected it. Well, it has already been detected by Evergreen automatically. You're connected. What are we going to have to do? In this case, we're going to give it 2 clicks here on the right up, and we're going to see what we have in that Phantom account. What do we need? We need Solana for 2 things: to make a swap and be able to acquire this token or the second token. But we're going to need to have some Solana to pay commissions that are paid for that transmission of money and the Solana that we are going to exchange for those projects. So we're going to send Solana here, or you're going to buy Solana directly. You can do it both ways. You can send Solana or buy it. In this key here, you can buy Sol, the account, and then with a credit card, you would already be buying Solana. With this payment gateway that is called MoonPay, maybe you have to configure something. Well, if you want to do it directly from your bank, you can do it. You can also send Solana from another wallet you have, for example, Coin, Binance, Kraken, because others that are centralized wallets, you can send Solana. We are going to send you what you want to invest plus $15 or so that you have plenty to pay commissions. But it is true that always first, if you're going to move other types of tokens within the wallet, you will have to move it with Solanas. So in this case, how we're going to put it all together, both what we want to invest and what we want to invest in commissions, for example, we're going to have here, I've already got $15 in my wallet. we are going to send another 50 to exchange $50 for one of these projects. To receive Solana here, we'll hit Solana, we'll hit here to receive, and in this wallet we copy here, take it to the other wallet that we have Solana, and send it. Is it worth it? In this case, you can see that we have some Solanas here. We're going to send those $50 of Solana to the Phantom wallet. Once we already have the money in Solana, and we have it available, we'll put that Phantom wallet address here. We'll hit you there. The Sol network is not going to leave you with a choice. Here we will tell you what we want to send. In this case, everything, which is an equivalent of about $50 or so, and we will withdraw. In this case, we get this QR to verify that it is us, and with the mobile, with the same camera as the mobile, we will directly make a Face ID, and voila, it will be sent. Well, as you can see here, it has already been sent. We already have $68 and $99. We are going to leave a little bit for commissions always in this portfolio. In this case, we're going to send $50 to one of these two projects and leave the rest on Solana for other times that we want to invest the same in the Solana network. And if it's not the Solana network that we have here, then you'll need to connect your MetaMask or Rabbi wallet. But I repeat, as the Solana network is, the best one for the Solana network is Phantom. Well, we will choose one, or if not both, then you can invest in both, in whichever you want. We're going to do the test here on acquiring position in this same, well, once this little screen comes out of here, it will recognize us because we have connected the Phantom wallet before. If not, then you will hit this button and it connects. And here we will put what we want to invest in Sols. Also, what you can do is try here more or less 50, it would be 42, a little more than 5, 49, because there we would have it. Is it worth it? This is about $50, well, 0 and 59 Sols. It's going to put it here. Then you keep trying until it puts the money you want to send. He's going to buy from this project 123,844 coins or tokens. And you say, well, it's a lot, but also the coin is still worth a little because we are at the beginning, which we expect to go up a lot. That is why these projects are very much looked at, who is behind them, if they have fundamentals to be able to invest. We insist that every investment has risk, so don't put money here that you need tomorrow. It's money that you can put there in the long run. We're going to hit swap here. A screen will open here on the top right to confirm that transaction. We confirm, we look carefully at what are the Solas that you are going to spend and what you are going to get from that project. And that's it. It will tell you here that the swap has been a success and you already have. Let's check it in the Phantom wallet. As you can see here, we already have our 126,000 tokens and worth $50. In this case, we will have to wait a long time or a little, we don't know, but to see performance, and we hope that it will be so. If you want to invest in the other project, then you can also do it, and as many times as you want, and from very little money. You can invest from $1 or even less. So take advantage of this opportunity, and you will only have to wait for that performance. Greetings.